Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put Trello in dark mode. Now as you can see here, I'm in Trello and it's currently in the light mode or the normal mode. In order to change this into dark mode, simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, go to themes, and you can choose dark mode from here. And that's it. Now if you also have your computer in light mode and you want to use the system preferences, you can also do that as well. Let me show you. So my computer is in dark mode, right? And if I go ahead and right click here on my Windows icon on my taskbar, go to my settings, guys, you will see that under personalize I have colors, and you will see that my computer is in dark mode. So if I put my computer in light mode, let me go ahead and put it in light mode here for a moment, and let me just minimize and put Trello in system match. You will see that it's in light mode. Now it's going to stay on this. Now if I go back to my settings here, guys, and switch this to dark mode, computer is in dark mode, and guess what, Trello is in dark mode as well. So you can do it both ways depending on your preferences, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.